What's up, guys? It's your boy AlphaBlue, and you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome, guys. So today we're still going to have our daily technical analysis on Euro USD, GBP USD, and gold. So let's start with GBP USD today. This is GU on the 2-hour time frame. Now let's go to, before we go to the higher time frames, now look at GU. What do you see? GU is in an uptrend, right? Is in an uptrend. At the start of the week, I drew this horizontal line here, and I was saying this is my target for the end of this week. Today is Thursday already, and we have a red event today and high impact news today, and also tomorrow. So I don't know whether that will be able to push GU all the way here. But let's see how it goes. Let me see how many pips that will be. Oh, yeah, see, yeah, that will be almost 300 pips. So what? 295 pips. I don't know. I'm not sure we'll get that, but let's just see how it goes. Anyways, tomorrow is NFP. Today is one other high impact event. So let's see how today closes. Then we'll know whether by tomorrow we can hope to see NFP push price all the way up here. But again, this is not like something that must happen, you get. It's not like something that is 100% certain. This was just my forecast for the week. And from the start of the week, GU has been bearish in the like short term, but ultimately in the long run, or the higher time frame bias, is that it's still in an uptrend, right? So as it is right now, you can easily spot that GU is at a support level, right? Now let me zoom. You can easily spot that GU is at a support level. This trend line was also used to confirm the sell, right? Because it's almost like a break and a retest here. But then you can see that it's at a support level. Let me just draw a very big support level for you to see this whole level right here, right? So this is a support level, very obvious, because it got here, was rejected, it was resistance, it broke and acted as support once and went up, and now price is back into this region. So now the thing is, we can expect to see GBP USD continue the bullish move from here. It's likely that we're going to see that. So today, tomorrow, we can expect to see GBP USD push to the upside from here. So it could just probably come back a bit, then continue to the upside. It's possible you see this, or it just continues going down and maybe reach all the way here. So this is like what I'm looking at on GBP USD, and also a similar thing on Euro USD. So right now, I'm just gonna keep my cool. I have no positions opened. So I'm just gonna wait and see what price does. But from this very big bullish move, we can begin to like see, I expect that the bulls are beginning to show up. So let's just see how it continues to play out. Now let's go a bit higher on the daily time frame. The daily time frame is like currently bullish, 4 hour. So if we get like a 4 hour close, very strong like this, then I'll begin to get more interested in the buys, right? But then we'll have to go to the lower time frames to look for entries, right? But then this is just my outlook for GBP USD. But right now, I'm not going to be looking for sales, to be honest with you, because I feel the market has come into a place of support that will likely push it up. So I'll be more keen to buy. It could sell, it could break this support and go down, yes, but then we don't need to predict what the market will do. Let's just wait and react. Let's wait for the footprints. Let's wait to see what the market does. Then we follow after, right? So this is for GU. Let's go to EU. So yesterday I closed my trade on EU that has been running since Tuesday. I closed it right about here. So my TP was actually down here on or below this green horizontal line a bit, but Yesterday, around after the New York session, around 7, 8 p.m., I checked and I saw that price was here, just few pips, about 8 pips away from my TP. And it has run for like 75 pips. So I was like, why not just take it? So I just took it at around 70 pips profit. So now you see that EU is doing a similar thing. Overall, you notice it's on an uptrend, right? It's on an uptrend. But right now it's reacting from this resistance here, and then it has gotten back to this area of support, even though it's not fully there yet. But we can begin to expect that at least from this zone right here, from this area right here, EU will begin to look to buy. So this buy may even come in next week. It may not even happen this week. It may happen next week, right? So let's just be patient and see how the market plays out and see what the market does. Then on gold, like gold, I've always said that my ultimate target for gold will be this all-time high, because you know why? Why I'm keen that gold will reach these places because of how fast it left this all-time high. Like it sold off so fast. A lot of market participants didn't get the chance to even see gold at this price. So I so much believe with all the uncertainties in the world, with all that is going on fundamentally, gold is still bullish, right? Gold is still bullish. It's not just going to continue selling off. I don't think that's going to happen. Before gold will begin to sell off, we must see that some tensions around the world are calm. Like there must be strong fundamental like reasons for gold to just start selling off. You get? So let's just see how it goes. But I'm bullish on gold. I'm just going to wait it out, see what the price does before I target this upside. So right now I drew this line. I want to see price break this high, form like a higher high or a higher low. Anyway, just take out this place. I just want to see gold break this place and form a high here, right? Once I see it form a high here, that's good. Then I'm gonna start waiting to see if I get entries on the lower time frame to long all the way to the top here. So that's just my forecast on gold and GBP, USD, Euro, USD. So I hope today is gonna be profitable for you guys. And to be honest with you, the way I see the market behaving right now, I don't really see like an opportunity to enter just yet, because it's kind of premature, right? So just wait and see how the market plays out. I have a very simple NFP strategy I usually use to trade NFP. So even if I don't get an entry today, fine. Tomorrow, after the NFP has been released, based on what the data is, I'll still look to enter the market. But even if I don't get any entry, I'm good, I'm fine. I'm up over 1.5% for the week, of which is very fine. It's very fine. It's better you're up 1.5% than for you to be down 3% because you're trying to catch 10 hours. You get? There are some things that when you trade for a while, you will just get to understand. It's better you're consistently making 1% every week than for you to be consistently losing 3% every week because you're trying to catch the big RR, right? If you consistently make 1% every week, that's 4% in a month. 4% of $100,000 account is $4,000. Wherever you are in the world, $4,000 is a tangible money for you to at least live off. You get? If you're in a third world country, if you're in most African countries, $4,000, you're up there, man. You're way above a lot of people in the society. So it just depends on how you look at it. I've been trading for over 4 years now, and to be honest, I've tried almost everything, right? I've tried almost everything. I've tried almost everything. I've tried the SMC, I've tried the retail. Right now, I'll just say I don't care about any of those things. I just care about what works. I just care that I hit. I don't really look at risk to reward anymore. I could just take a trade that is one-to-one risk to reward. As far as I get the confirmation and I am trading according to my edge that I believe that will give me a higher probability to win the trade, I'll take that trade, right? And I don't care that I'm making 1 hour in a week. because I understand that what matters the most is consistency. You can make 50 IR once in a year and make noise about it, whereas we know that you've lost about 200 IR. You can take 20 losses and then make one win and post it on social media and be bragging and be making noise. We, we understand all of that, man. We understand everything. This game is hard. Nobody should deceive you. This game is fucking hard, man. Like Forex is so damn hard. So anybody that is flaunting profit consistently without posting his losses, he's definitely a con artist. There's something he's doing that he's not telling us, right? That's why I love persons like ZM Capital. ZM, yeah. Capital. He always will post his losses every damn time. As he's posting the wins, he's posting the losses. That makes you have this realistic perspective of trading, right? You understand that even the top traders, the professional traders, those that have gone far in the market, they still make losses, right? That's how it's supposed to be. But when somebody will always be posting profit for you without posting his losses, run, oh, that guy is not saying the truth, because no matter who you are, you will make losses. And guess what? No matter who you are, there are times that the trading will be tough. Like it will try you, it will test you, it will test your strength, test your dexterity. Because no matter who you are, there are times that trading will be so tough. You'll be second guessing, you'll be doubting yourself, in fact. But because you've gone so far, you will stand strong and you get through it, right? That is just how the nature of trading is. If you go to my Telegram channel right now, check the description of this video, you'll find a link to my Telegram. I post all the losses I take. In fact, someone may even want to say, oh, this guy, they lose you. But I don't care, because I know that I'm still going to win. I understand that I'm in the process. I understand that there are times that that channel will get to 100,000 subscribers because of the consistency that will be there. And believe me, guys, if you make 2% weekly, you're set up for life. If you make 2%, even if you're making, let's say, 4% in a month, um, it depends on your capital size. Let me tell you, most of these guys, people like the likes of Paladin, the likes of Omar, likes of Jade Cap, most of these guys that trade very huge capital in funding, in prop firms, do you think they used to make 10% in a month? Most of these guys just make like 1 to 2%. If you make 1% of $1 million, that's $10,000. And of course, 1% is not hard to make. If you make 2% of $1 million capital, that's $20,000, bro. So what are you even looking for? Do you think, okay, let me ask you this question. Do you think if you're trading a $1 million account or $3 million account, as some of these guys do trade, do you think you're going to be looking for 10 RR on a particular trade? Do you think, believe me, bro, you won't even care about that. All you'll be looking for is 2R, 2R, and you're good. You're set up for the month. So no pressure, guys. Take it easy. Take it easy. No pressure. Just work on yourself. It's always you versus you. No need to be dragging. No need to be beating yourself. You have all the time in the world to become the best version of you. You have all the time in the world to work on yourself. There's no need to rush. Like, why are you rushing? The reason why you keep failing most of the time is because you're rushing the process. Enjoy the process. Take your time, and on a daily basis, go over your trades, write down what you're doing, and track your process, track your progress. You get? And when you're consistent with that, it's just a matter of time. In some months, you will notice that even you yourself, you will notice that you've made progress, because the chart will begin to become so clear to you. Everything will begin to become so clear. So guys, let's not stop. Let's not give up. Let's not get weary. Keep pushing, man. Keep pushing. If it were easy, everybody would be a billionaire. Every damn person will be a billionaire. But it's hard, and that's what makes it worth it. So like, let's keep pushing, guys. Let's keep pushing. All right, so that will be it for today. I hope you found value in this today's analysis. I hope you found value. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, check the description of this video. You will find a link to my Telegram. You'll find my socials, my WhatsApp. If you want to reach me directly, message me directly. You can reach me on WhatsApp. And then see you guys tomorrow, guys. So, cheers and God bless.